I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fried rice quickly. To achieve restaurant-quality fried rice fast, preparation is key. Start with day-old chilled rice. It prevents stickiness and ensures a perfect texture. Chop all your vegetables and proteins into small, uniform pieces. Also, premix your sauces in a small bowl. This streamlined approach means you can cook everything in just a few minutes, making dinner a breeze. The secret to quick and delicious fried rice is high heat. Get your wok or large skillet screaming hot before adding any oil. Use about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like peanut or canola. Cook your proteins and vegetables in small batches, for about 1 to 2 minutes each. This prevents overcrowding and ensures everything gets a beautiful sear, not a steam. Once your proteins and vegetables are cooked, push them to one side or remove them briefly. Add your chilled rice to the hot pan, breaking up any clumps with your spatula. Immediately pour in your premixed sauce, which typically includes soy sauce, sesame oil, and a touch of sugar. Stir-fry vigorously for about 1 to 2 minutes, ensuring every grain of rice is coated and heated through. Now, combine all your cooked ingredients back into the pan with the rice. Give everything a final, quick toss for about 30 seconds to ensure even distribution. For an extra layer of flavor, drizzle in about 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil right at the end. Garnish generously with freshly chopped green onions. Serve your piping hot, homemade fried rice immediately for the best taste and texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.